Happy April Fool's Day, VIPs. This is your favorite bag lady, your favorite go-to gift gal, Simply Sarita, coming to you with minimal energy. But I knew I was hoping to get to you sooner, but with it being Donovan's birthday, we just have been doing double fun for double digits. Hashtag mom life. So I want to have a moment where I can speak freely and candidly from my heart. So I want to first apologize if my April Fool's prank offended anyone. Then I mentioned I was pregnant. I have been experiencing some medical challenges where I truly have missed my cycle, but I am not pregnant. I do want to say that I'm not pregnant with a baby. I am birthing something bigger than just a physical child, but I do understand and am sincerely apologize because I do have friends that are unable to conceive. So going forward, I will be very mindful of that. But my heart and what I would ask you all in this group to always look at the heart behind what I do. If I ever do or say or behave in a manner that is makes you feel uncomfortable or you feel as though it may be perceived the wrong way, please just send me a private message, because again, my heart is to have this group be a place of sharing, caring, celebrating, encouraging, rewarding, also being organized in style with some amazing, beautiful, functional products too. So that is the heart behind everything I do. I do want to reward engagement. So I like to share and talk about things that have nothing to do with 31. And again, it's about the relationship. I choose relationships over transactions. I want to know about you. So that's why I share so much about me. I want to know what keeps you busy or what's stressing you out, because most of the time the person in this group may be someone who's traveled that path or is on that path, or the wisdom amongst us as women is so vast and it's so precious and it's so amazing when we share that. I have this model that I've been sharing with everyone, that girlfriends are lifesavers. My girlfriends help save my life. They're there for me to laugh, to cry, to vent. And I get it. This is a place where you want to know about some products, what's on sale, what I can get for a steal, what I can get for free. But honey, it's bigger than that. That is what I'm birthing. That is what I'm pregnant with. Our lives are way more intertwined than we even can imagine. So I don't treat you all as just a transaction. I believe that our paths cross for a reason. It may be something you need to deposit in me. It may be something that I need to connect you to someone else. It's so much bigger than that. So with that being said, I am birthing something. I'm birthing a new baby, and she is called Enough. I am enough in him and through him. So that is why I had that purple shirt on today, because as you all know, I don't call myself a survivor of domestic violence. You all know I broke my silence almost 4 years ago. I broke my silence, but I believe that I was placed here in this time to make a difference, to make an impact in the lives of boys and girls, women and men, and in this community. But guess what? I can't do it alone. And every time you shop with me, your favorite go-to gift girl, you are making an impact too, because I give back to organizations that support domestic violence. But I'm going bigger. I want to get to these babies before they ever encounter someone saying or putting their hands on them or using words to tear them down. Where does that start? That starts when they're in their mom's belly. That starts when they're in the schools. And that's where I'm going. I'm going big or I'm going home. So you all know that I'm working to get Enough. The trailer is called Enough too, up and running so that I can be doing what I know I'm supposed to do. So more will come about those details tomorrow, about great things and great opportunities for you to be organized on a dime, get whatever you want, but not only that, help partner with your favorite go-to girl so we can get enough up and running with our brand on there so you can see that Enough in your local school, or doing some things, or have her at your house for your Let's Flamingo party, whatever. It's so big, it's so fabulous, it's so easy peasy. So I will share more about that tomorrow with our Talk About It Tuesday. So I want you to stay tuned, but I just wanted to make sure you all knew your favorite bag lady's heart is never to offend. Again, I apologize for all of my fellow sisters that are barren. I do not take that lightly. I don't know what that feels like. I felt that pain in that voice through that message, and my heart sunk. Because again, my heart was never to offend. So I ask you to charge it to my head, not to my heart. And anytime, or if there's anything done or said or takes place at a party or at your event or experience, and you say, hey, pull me aside, I am so approachable. Just have that conversation with me like you would want someone to have the conversation with you. But again, I want you to know that I love all of you, and anyone who's hurting, who's experiencing any pain or whatever like that, just know I'm sending love and prayers and well wishes towards you, because I know pain is not pleasurable. But I have learned in my own life, in my own painful journey, that pain has a purpose. So that's what we'll be talking about tomorrow. My purple passion, my painful purpose. And so I can't wait to share with you. I'm going to go live. So you'll be on the lookout. I got to check my family's calendar because we have family in town, and I'm not for sure if our family is going to try to meet up with them before they leave, or if we're doing it another day. So I will let you know that. And then I am asking for you all to please keep my family and our extended family lifted in prayer. We've been attacked with several medical situations. It's so much. Just God knows what's going on. So please just keep us in your prayers. And again, your favorite go-to gift girl loves you all so much. And I just cannot wait to bless your socks off. Remember, again, sharing is caring, celebrating, encouraging, and rewarding, supporting. That is what this place is all about. And on top of that, then you can buy some steals and deals and get some stuff for free. How about that? Well, I am going to wrap up so I can post this before midnight. I'm going to try to have a wonderful night. Be blessed, be organized, be the best version of you. Thank you.